how to make the So Easy Bouffant cap.
Hi guys, Dr. Lili here with my Pocket Pediatrician. So this cap that I'm going to talk about in this video, I'm calling it the So Easy cap because there's a sewing channel called So Easy, S-E-W-E-A-S-Y, and that's who designed this cap. And it's got a lot of cute things about it. It's reversible. You can adjust where you put your tie. So you can have it on top of your head like she and I do, or you can put it in the back around your ponytail, which is another cute option. So let's get started seeing how we make this cap.
Step 1. Cut two 18 by 21 inch rectangles and one 4 by 42 inch band from your pre-washed and pre-shrunk cotton. So she designed this pattern so that you could either use fat quarters, or if you're going to just go ahead and cut it off the bolt, you can just cut an 18 inch wide strip of fabric. You can have two that are the same, or if you want to make it reversible, you can use two different fabrics. If you like, you can have three different fabrics if you use another color for your band as well. So for step 2, I'm going to take my two rectangles, lay them on top of each other, and trim the corners to that rounded side so that the bottom of the hat has a rounded edge. Step 3. Sew your band for your ties into a tube and cut it into two pieces. So there's two ways to do this. So in the So Easy video, she does it this way, where she puts her right sides together and she makes a tube. And then she has to turn that tube right side out. Now she has a tool called a flexible bodkin, which I don't have. So I just spent forever trying to turn this right side out. I actually took a stick from one of my kids' toys and used that to kind of help me. And I just found this to be annoying. So what I wound up doing on mine was I wound up just double rolling an edge and straight stitching it all the way down. It was so much faster and saved me a whole lot of time. And I like doing it this way better. It doesn't look as pretty because you can see the seam on the outside, but I don't think anyone really cares if there's going to be a seam on a strap for a hat or not. Step 4. Sew an 8-inch strip of elastic into the selvages of the straps to connect them. So I'm just going to cut an 8-inch strip of elastic, and then I have my two bands, and I'm going to just sew right into the selvage there on the open end. I'm going to put that elastic right in the edge and just stitch it in, and then take the opposite side and put it into the other strap. So that elastic band is going to go through my hat, and I'll have these bands to the outside, which are going to wrap around the head. Step 5. Stitch the two pieces of your hat together along the forehead seam, leaving a gap in the center. I'm also going to leave a 1-inch gap on each side here, so that I have a channel for my band to go through, and then I also have to leave a gap in the middle that is big enough for me to fit my hand into so that I can turn this right side out when I need to. So basically I start an inch away from the edge, going to go towards the middle, leave a large gap in the middle, and then I'm going to go towards my other end, but again I'm going to stop just about an inch before I get to the edge of my band. Now I'm ready for step 6, where I'm going to stitch the entire curved edge of my hats together all the way around. So I still have my right sides together, and I'm just basically going to go all the way around the curved side of my hat. Now for step 7, I'm going to turn my hat right side out, and I'm going to stitch a channel about 1 inch inside the curved edge of my hat. So first things first, going to turn my hat right side out, flatten it. You can iron it here if you like, but make sure you get the hat like this so it's back to its original shape. The elastic is going to kind of run through there with the band. So what I'm going to do is stitch a channel so that my band can sit in there. That's going to be gathered up with the elastic. So just running around the outside of my hat about an inch from the edge, I'm just going to run all the way around with a simple straight stitch. So that I'm now creating a channel so that my elastic band and my straps can kind of run through there to sit in there and hold everything together. Step 8. Run your straps and your elastic through the channel. So this is another time when it's good to have a flexible bodkin, which I don't have, but fortunately I do have a big safety pin, so I'm just going to attach that safety pin, and I'm going to run my strap all the way around and out the opening I left on the other side. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Our hat is almost done. I'm just tucking my band in there so that the selvages are tucked into the little channel. And now for step 9, I'm just going to run a straight stitch along the entire front edge of my hat. It's going to catch both of my straps, and it's also going to close up that hole that I left in the forehead band. So I'm just running a straight stitch all the way across, catching my straps in there as well. And my hat is entirely complete. So I think this hat is absolutely adorable. It is reversible, and I don't think that that's of any great benefit right now with COVID. It's not like anybody's going to take their hat off and do an outfit change in the middle of a shift. But I love that you can see all 3 colors of this hat at all times. I like the options that you have with the ties. It's very cute and stylish. It does use a lot of material, but it is a very stylish, very cute hat, and I do like it.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget that I have 3 other styles of hats that I have tutorials on. And I also have one video comparing all 4 of them. So go to that video, and if you vote in that video in the comments section for which style is your favorite, you can actually win all 4 styles of hats, and I will ship them directly to your house. And on May 15th, I will pick one of my commenters at random and send them all 4 hats for free. This is Dr. Lily with My Pocket Pediatrician. Thanks for stopping by.
When the doctor says my child has a condition, I'll learn more at My Pocket Pediatrician.